A winner.
Ah, a match? Which case?
One you just brought me, Bunk. Casing of that girl shot up in Northeast.
Crescent?
Deirdre Crescent, right, yeah. She matches up with 2 other cases, both from last year.
Which ones?
Taurine, Boyle, some other fucker named Liggett. It's there in the report.
Taurine, Boyd, Roland Leggett.
Yeah, them. Casings from all 3 killings go to a .45, probably Colt Classic.
That fucker Landsman. How's he do it?
You like Landsman for these 3? I don't know, Bunk. As Sergeant Sco, Jay's a sociopath and all, but I'd have to go with an actual gangster.
Hey, Jimmy, you sitting down? No. Whoever did our girl also did Boyd and Leggett a month earlier.
Leggett.
And those 2 are definitely straight-up drug executions. No mention of D in either file. But I did get a fresh number on Tawanda.
Who?
You know, the girl who called in on Crescent.
All right.
She put D in for that.
Have you seen this?
Hey, Jay Bird. And the bear said, you didn't really come here to hunt now, did you?
You see Saturday's 24th?
Sunday morning.
You see the one Warden got in the west side? John Bailey in a Kevlar vest, lit up by 3 separate shooters.
Carey Street, yeah.
Yes, you made the connection with Crescent. You didn't think Bailey might tie in with the Barksdale crew?
The Warden's on the other shift. I'm trying to work my murders. Jesus Christ.
They're still using it. I was bound Saturday night, it was gone.
On your own time?
You still getting your boys?
Yeah. Tonight for a sleepover.
What the hell? Call for backup?
Not yet. Let's see how it plays out. Invitation.
Feel a little lonesome from backup.
Yeah, me too.
That's nice. I'll check him out.
I'll watch the boys.
Afternoon, gentlemen.
Saying if he's gonna use that, you'd have been done using it by now. It's clean. Got to keep it clean. Saying we have one of our little parlays like this, got to keep it clean, right?
Omar with no gun on the street? Must be a first.
Yeah, sometimes who you are is enough, dog. But being as y'all sitting on my ride so long, I just thought I'd save y'all some time. Come straight on out. I ain't taking no charge, and you only put me back up in no cage.
We're not here to bury you, Omar. We're pulling you up because we've got a problem in common.
Problem?
Barksdale.
Nah, he ain't no problem.
I don't know. Avon's been chalking up a lot of bodies, you being you.
Put it that way, I guess it could be a little problem, but I just can't really come out and help y'all. You know what I mean? Snitching just rubs me wrong. Personally, I don't think the game is played like that.
And we respect that. If you do happen to take a charge, though, I'm McNulty, that's Greg's. You give us a call, we'll sort something out.
Fair enough.
You know, I used to work the homes, back when your brother was up there. You get a chance, let them know they blew up John Bailey last night.
Good man. A lot of enemies.
Mm-hmm.
Saying, you trying to catch up with Bird? Word is he dropped a working man.
Hey, wait. Hold up. Come on, don't play me. What working man? What Bird?
Come on, now ain't but one working man, now is there? Bird? I think your snitch can handle that. Shit, Bubbles no Bird.
You worried about being seen?
Well, if anybody got a problem with me spending time with y'all, I'd be much obliged to stick my gun straight in their mouth. Now, how that work? Bird not up in the mix today.
Well, if you have more than a street name, maybe we could come up with an address.
What can I say? Out here, Bird just Bird. So what up, y'all fitting to snatch it from out here or what?
That's the plan.
He don't pack down here, none of them do. And that's the rule. Now, if you want iron, you got to go to one of those kids up in the towers.
We need the gun.
Then y'all got a problem.
Without knowing his crib, we definitely got a problem.
Not unless y'all know what Bird like to cop.
Well, Bird gets high?
But not in the towers, he don't. Avon ain't having his people using. That's another rule. Never get high on your own supply. Now, if I was hunting Mr. Bird, I would consider the best package right now to be the Red Dilly. That's over there in Carrollton. That's if I happen to be constabulating like y'all.
Carrollton.
I know one thing, when y'all run up on them, y'all best be more careful, that is.
Why's that?
Oh, Bird will throw down without thinking for sure.
Hurry.
Is he still in there?
Greg's is on the back and we're on the front, so you tell me.
$5, baby, $5. You know, I got you right here, boy. You look cool there. Come up that head of yours. You know what I mean? Can't be damn right. $5 hats right here, dog. $5 hats. You got them for me? $5 hat there, mister. $5, man.
Take him.
Hey, Shorty!
Where's it at? Put your hands back. Put your hands back.
I got you covered. I got the feet. I got the feet. Bitch ass cops!
Oh, yeah. Look what we have here.
Ooh, baby. Fuck off me. Oh, my hand. Bitch. Fuck off.
What's your recollections? What else you got in the way of open murders?
Going to Barksdale?
Going anywhere.
How far back you want me to go?
As far as you need. Murder stay murder.
Thanks.
Gun matches. You're done, Bird. Last chance to grab a little something for yourself on a deal.
Eat my shit first, you downtown white whore. Yeah, that's right. Take this ugly-ass cunt eater with you, too. Yo, I'm cuffed, man. You gonna at least give me a fair chance, right? Yo, come on, man. Don't do me like that, man.
Fulton and Baker, you say?
Happened last year, a couple days after Easter.
Uh-huh.
This girl by the name of Nisi. She's about 30, 35.
Denise Redding. Yeah, I got it. I'll be damned.
Bird sure know how to bring it out of people, don't he?
The Lindsay case, right? No, Lindsay, Martin Lindsay. Who the fuck is Denise Redding?
Ain't working out for y'all, huh?
Mars is the god of war, right?
Planet 2.
Well, I know it's a planet, but the clue is Greek god of war.
Ares. Greeks called him Ares. Same dude, different name is all.
Ares fits. Thanks.
It's all good. See, back in middle school and all, I used to love them mitts. Stuff was deep. Truly.
You're up.
State calls Omar Little, Your Honor.
Faggot.
Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Surely do.
State your name for the record.
Omar Devon Little.
Mr. Little, how old are you?
About 29, thereabout.
And where do you live?
No place in particular, ma'am.
You're homeless?
And the wind, so to speak.
And what is your occupation?
Occupation.
What exactly do you do for a living, Mr. Little?
I rip and run.
You...
I robs drug dealers.
And exactly how long has this been your occupation, Mr. Little?
Oh, I don't know exactly. I venture to say maybe about 8 or 9 years.
Mr. Little, how does a man rob drug dealers for 8 or 9 years and live to tell about it?
Day at a time, I suppose.
Thank you, Detective. Nothing further.
Anything more on redirect, Ms. Nathan?
No, Your Honor.
Let's take 10 minutes and then run the closing arguments. I have every intention of beginning tomorrow with jury instructions.
How did Omar do?
We didn't see it.
Not the cross. That bad?
I'm going to schedule sentencing for the 3rd week of next month. Anything else today?
Your Honor, my client, having preserved the necessary grounds for appeal in the record, wishes me to state unequivocally that regardless of this jury's verdict, he is the victim of wholesale perjury on the part of the state's key witness. And we ask that an appeal bond be set so that he can participate fully in this investigation.
An appeal bond on a conviction of first-degree murder? Mr. Levy, get a grip on yourself.
Your Honor.
Not only will there be no bond pending sentencing, but as far as I'm concerned, the pre-sentencing report is a mere formality. Mr. Hilton has been found guilty of killing a state's witness who testified in this very courtroom. He did so in cold blood and for pay. Unless the pre-sentence report indicates that he is, in fact, the Messiah come again, he will very likely be sentenced to life, no parole, by a Baltimore judge who, for once in his life, gets to leave his office feeling that his job actually matters. Mr. Hilton, are you the second coming of our Savior?
Excuse me?
Are you Jesus Christ come back to earth? See you at sentencing.
Was it good for you, too? Mr. Little, this is good to get out of jail free, one time only on anything up to aggravated assault.
I thank you, ma'am.
No, thank you. A rare pleasure.
Johnny. Now for the ceremonial life fuck.
You come see me down a cut, you punk-ass snitch. I shove a shit down your cocksucker throat.
You think on it, Bird. You think on Brandy while you doing that time, you heard?
I'ma say you, man, swear to God! Fuck that. Yeah, I do you like a dog.
You really see him shoot the man?
You really asking?